Understanding the phrase, restore. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the word, restore, and understand its various meanings and contexts. Restore is a versatile word, and by the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to use it effectively. At its core, restore means to bring something back to its original state or condition. It's like taking something old or damaged and making it new again. Examples: 1. I want to restore this old painting to its former glory. 2. The community came together to restore the park after the storm. In the realm of technology, especially with gadgets and software, restore has a special meaning. It refers to bringing a device or system back to a previous state, often using a backup. Examples: 1. I had to restore my phone after it crashed. 2. The IT department can restore the files from last week's backup. When used in a personal context, restore can mean to rejuvenate or bring back energy, health, or a sense of well-being. Examples: 1. A good night's sleep can restore your energy. 2. Meditation helps restore my mental balance. In terms of culture or history, restore can refer to bringing back customs, traditions, or rightful positions. Examples: 1. The museum aims to restore artifacts to their original locations. 2. The king was restored to his throne after years in exile. And there we have it. From making old things new, to resetting technology, rejuvenating ourselves, or reclaiming cultural and historical items, restore is a word with many uses. We hope this video has clarified its meanings for you. Keep practicing, and remember, understanding the nuances of words enriches your language skills. Happy learning!